Good morning, children. How are you, children? In previous session, we have discussed about Keshav uncle's house, Jahangir's, and Vijay's house. Children, do you keep your house and surroundings neatly? Very good. Have you done your homework? Good. Shall we start today's session, children? Children, you will achieve these learning outcomes from today's session. Children, you will be able to know where should you dispose the garbage of your house. You should also help to keep the house clean. Look at the screen, children. Listen carefully. Murali's family went to a relative's marriage to a village. They returned home after 1 week. Their small house has only one room. When they came back, they found the front of the house dirty due to the wind and dust. They also found dust on the floor. They swept the room with a broomstick and the trash was taken out and thrown into the dustbin. All started cleaning the house together. Murali and Sarita arranged the books in an order on the shelves. They watered the plants, dusted means remove the dust, and arranged the photos and toys on the television. Murali's father and mother arranged the kitchen utensils properly. Did you understand, children? Okay, I will explain you. Murali's family went to a relative's marriage. They returned home after 1 week. Their house has only one room. Children, can you guess how is the house now? Okay, good. Outside and inside of the house became dirty. What should you do when your house became dirty? Oh, okay. You should clean. They cleaned the room with broomstick. Trash means garbage thrown into dustbin. All the family members cleaned the house together. Murali and Sarita arranged the books in shelves, watered the plants, cleaned photos and toys on the television. Television means TV. Murali's parents arranged kitchen utensils properly. Children, observe how they have arranged their things in the house. Is it neat and clean? Yes. Do you like it or not? Yes. Do you do your household work like Murali and Sarita? Okay, good. Do you keep your house clean? If so, how? Yes, by arranging the things properly. Where do you keep your books, pens, pencils after studying? In your bag. Okay, good. Do you arrange your clothes? If not, who does it for you? Okay. What would you do when you find waste paper and dust in your house? Cleaned the house and throw into dustbin. Good. Some houses look clean, some look ugly. When we look at other houses, we feel we can arrange the things more properly. Hut, tiled house, pakka house means buildings, sheeted house, apartments, whatever may be the house, we should arrange things properly. Then it become convenient means comfortable and pleasant. What would happen if we leave the dust and garbage as it is in the house without cleaning? House become dirty, bad smell, mosquitoes and house flies will come. Every house has some dust every day. We ourselves should clean it. Where should we throw the garbage of our house? Think and say. Observe the picture and tell where the garbage is being thrown. Dustbin, on road, garbage collecting vehicle. Where should we dispose the garbage? Dustbin. Where should you dispose the garbage of your house? Garbage collecting vehicles. Who clears the garbage of your street and when? Municipality workers. When? Daily. Good children. Nowadays we see garbage is being collected in different types of vehicles like rickshaws, autos, tractors. Children, in your street or village or town, which type of vehicle is used to collect garbage? Okay children, when we leave the garbage without cleaning, foul smell means very bad smell comes from it. Mosquitoes and houseflies increase. This type of house looks dirty and ugly. We feel uncomfortable to live in it. It makes us unhealthy. Hence, all dirt should be cleaned from time to time. The house should be kept neat and clean. Okay children? Very good. With this session, we have completed our lesson. Now let's recap our lesson. What have we learnt? House looks clean and beautiful when it is cleaned and the things are arranged properly. If the things are scattered, means spread in the house, it looks dirty and becomes inconvenient to live in. All the dust and garbage should be thrown into the dustbin to make the house neat and clean. Children, we should help our family in need and keep our house clean. Okay children? Good. Children, I will give you homework. Do your homework. Show it to your teacher. Draw the picture of a beautiful house from the lesson. Color it. Okay children? Stay home. Stay safe. Take care children. Bye children.